And here's I will show you how to enable PIP mode for any iPhone model. First of all, go to your iPhone settings app and tap on General, and here tap on Picture in Picture and enable Start PIP automatically. And now we have to install a app in our iPhone. So go to your App Store and search for YouTube PIP, search for it, and here scroll down and you have to search for this app. So install this free app on your iPhone. Once the app installed, launch the YouTube PIP app and select PIP from this bottom left hand menu, and here we can see YouTube successfully open. Now all you have to need, search for a video from YouTube that you want to play in PIP mode. Simply play the video, and here we can see the video is playing. Now all you have to need, just minimize the video just like so, and the video will play just like so in PIP mode. Now you can go ahead and at the same time you can use your iPhone other apps, as you can see. If you want, you can change the video PIP position. If you want, you can also resize it, and from here you can pause the video. You can disable PIP mode for the video just like so. So using this app, you can easily use PIP in any iPhone device. Thanks for watching.